Proctoring software keeps changing, and people keep talking about ways around it. In today's video, I look at those claims and, more importantly, explain what Yuja Verity actually does. It can record your screen, webcam, and microphone, and log browsing activity during tests. But the question is, if Yuja Verity has such high security system, the how to cheat on Yuja Verity without being in trouble. There are basically two ways one can cheat with Yuja Verity. Technical expert method to bypass Yuja Verity and conventional way. Technical expert method. In this method, a technical expert installs a custom software in student's PC, and with help of that, he can see student's screen and take exam on student's behalf. The next question that comes to mind is cheating on Yuja Verity is safe with technical expert method? Answer is yes, as the software installed by technical experts cannot be detected by Yuja Verity, so it cannot be detected, and this custom software does not leave any trace in the system. This method is considered the safest of all cheating methods. During all this process, technical experts stay connected with student computer, and once quiz start, he can take it on his behalf. This method is known as technical expert method. Now, if you want to know who you can contact these technical experts, you can just check my description to find contact email. This was the most secure way to cheat on Yuja Verity. Now we're going to talk about some other ways to cheat on Yuja Verity that are old and conventional. Here is the other way to cheat on Yuja Verity. Utilizing a virtual machine. Test takers often use a virtual machine to cheat Yuja Verity. With this approach, you can freely manipulate your host machine, but this method is very complex. Using phones and other devices, it involves placing a phone or small laptop behind your webcam, but within reach of the keyboard. Making tiny notes. By making tiny notes and using them during the exam is also a trick to cheat on Yuja Verity. It is a useful method if you have experience pin this method. Conclusion: which method is best to cheat on Proctorio? The technical expert method. In this secret trick, I will control laptop remotely, bypassing Yuja Verity with the help of my secret software. After the setup is done, apparently, student will be sitting in front of the laptop, but my expert team will be the one choosing correct answers for students. Don't think so much of fill out our form in the description to get best and fully safe service. Also, we don't take any advance payment. You can pay after getting grades of your own choice. Lastly, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Good luck.